Inflation in Germany has been running wild and pushing the cost of living up at a pace so fast that people, especially the most vulnerable, have to scramble to make their ends meet. Inflation in Germany unexpectedly accelerated in July. The Harmonized Index of Consumer Prices, which is used to measure consumer price inflation in the euro area, went up by 8.5% over the same month last year, according to the Federal Statistical Office. Costs of energy and food both soared, with energy prices going up by 35.7% and food prices by 14.8% in July year-on-year. The price hikes have translated into inflated bills for households, and many people, especially the vulnerable group including pensioners and the unemployed, are feeling the pinch.
Hey, so the cost of inflation with me has actually affected me quite heavily. There's certain things I can't do anymore, like going out, holidays. There's less holidays which I'm able to go on now, and I'm having to depend more heavily on churches and also the apps where they tell you where to get free food and things like this. And for me, that's quite it's quite not embarrassing, but it's quite hard for me to admit that I have to depend on these facilities and these services because I don't have enough money to actually pay as a result of the inflation.
I think the prices are indeed getting higher and higher because each week when I have to do my groceries, I do have to pay more, especially for fruits and vegetables. So I think that's the impact is quite obvious. We can feel that.
The German government has hammered out quite a few inflation relief packages to prevent it from spiraling out of control. However, the transitory one-off measures will not have a lasting effect on inflation, which, according to analysts, is extremely difficult to tame.